Hi guys, this is TFC, or Tom from college, and today I'm going to show you how to rearrange the mod files to make them compatible with my mod loader. So first things first, I'm going to do SDK's guns. For SDK's guns, we need to download both this one and this one, so Rizugami's mod loader, the SDK version, and SDK's mods. So that's what I'm going to do. So go click on both of those and you'll open those two. Just download them both and then you should get the files. So mine are saved on the desktop. Okay, no they're not. I'm going to have to download them. Right. Once you've got both of those, we're going to go to the desktop. And we've got both of these files. So what we're going to do is, I've got 7-zip installed. I would highly recommend downloading it. I'll put it in the comments. But this 7-zip definitely works with the mod manager, because I know a lot of people have been using WinZip and WinRAR, and even though they're compressing it to a .zip file, it's just not working because the compression is different depending on the program. I know 7-zip works fine. I'm going to use 7-zip. So what we're going to do is we're going to select both of those, right click 7-zip, or just extract the file, and we're going to extract to their folders, and I'm going to delete those. We don't need those anymore. This one here, this is the mod loader. So as you can see, we've got .classes in there. They all end in .class. This is good. So all we need to do, if they end in .class, we can just create a new folder. I'm going to call it SDK's guns. And in it, I'm going to place all these. So I'm just going to drag and drop all of those in there. And now we can delete that one. That was the mod loader over. Now we've got this file to do. Right, this is where it gets more complicated. As you can see, there aren't any .class files in here, and this is how Mod Manager reads it. It reads the .class files in the root of the zip file. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for those .class files. In Minecraft, here we go. We've got all the folders that we need and the .classes. All of these can just be drag and dropped into that folder with the mod loader. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all those. I'm going to drag them into with the other one. And that's that. That's all done. Now that we've got all those files in there, I can go back and delete that folder. Alternative textures, we don't need this. It's just if you want to change the textures. I'm not going to. I like it as it is. So I'm going to delete that. And okay, so here we have the resources folder. For developers, resources folder can be placed in with the root of the zip. So like I said, resources folders can go straight in there with the rest of them, straight in there. That will be copied to the correct folder when you press finish modding in the program. Here you can see I've already got them installed, but for now I'm going to delete that. And I'm going to press we. And I'm going to delete that one. There we go. So when you press finish modding, it will automatically work out what file goes where. .properties file will go straight in the .minecraft folder, so we can drag those in as well. Everything needs to be in the zip. Everything. Some folders have folders that say, move resources here. Well, in it, they might have another folder, such as, if you go here, such as SDK. If that was in there, and it was just like that, you'd need to rename that to resources, and then just drag that into the root of the zip. Okay, it's not going. Well, there you go, it's gone. That's all you need to do. That's everything done now. So we can close that. As I said, 7-zip would be the best program to do this with, but I'm going to show you anyway. So we're going to select every file in here. And just to let you know, do not select the folder. You can't right click the folder, press 7-zip, and do that. That will not work. You have to zip the files in the folder. So I'm going to select all the files. I'm going to right click it, 7-zip. I'm going to add to sdksguns.zip. And there we have it, sdksguns.zip. I'm going to drag that to the desktop. We don't need that anymore. We can delete that folder. In here we have, this is the zip folder. We have the resources that we had. We have all the class files, that's including the mod loader. And we've got the .properties files, all in the root of the zip. This now can go straight into the mod manager. As I said, you can press add to mod zip and find the zip file, or you can just drag and drop. Give it a second, it will automatically add it. This says that these two are incompatible. What's actually conflicting is the mod loader. Because Dr. Zark's and SDK's guns both use their own version of the mod loader, it will say it's conflicting. It's not a problem, and I'll work on getting which one's compatible to give you a clearer view on which is compatible and which isn't. But until then, I know for a fact Dr. Zark's mod works with this. The only one that doesn't work is Mine Colony. Unfortunately, with Mine Colony, that will not work. Just because of the way Mine Colony is, I can't do anything about that. So what we're going to do for now is we're going to untick Mine Colony. We can have both of these installed, and I'm going to press finish modding. Like I said before, some of you get stuck on cleaning up, others don't. It's not a problem, but for now that should be everything. We're going to wait for that to finish. As you can see here, it shows you which files are finished, you know, which files are in the zip folder we created earlier. And that's everything you can do. Like I said, make sure you're not using WinZip or WinRAR, because I know that can cause a few problems. If it doesn't cause a problem for you and you've tried it, be my guest, use it all as you want. I would highly recommend using 7-zip. It can handle .rars, it handles 7-zip files, and it handles zip files. So for now, that's that done. I'm going to run Minecraft and see if this has worked. Log in. And there we have it, no black screen. It's all worked fine. If this isn't clear, post as much information as you can to your problem, because I've had a lot of people just saying it doesn't work, please help. I can't help you when you do that. Just give as much details as you can. Are you using Mac? Are you using Windows? All of this information will help, help it. I'm not going to be helping people if they haven't read. I've had a lot of people, reply without even reading the forum or reading the blog. Read everything you can. Read up before asking, because chances are you've just missed something. Until next time, guys. If you want any features added, talk to me, because I'm running out of ideas. And there we go. That's all. We'll talk to you later, guys.